Here's an uncomfortable truth. Some auto repair shops are quietly stealing customers from their competitors, and AI is the reason why. When someone searches auto repair near me, AI-powered shops respond first. Their websites chat instantly. Their phones are answered automatically. Their Google reviews are followed up with smart AI responses. Meanwhile, traditional shops are still waiting for someone to pick up the phone. AI doesn't just respond faster, it responds smarter. It qualifies customers, books appointments, and sends reminders so people actually show up. That alone increases monthly revenue without adding more cars or staff. But the real advantage? Speed. Customers want answers now. AI gives instant pricing ranges, availability, and directions. While other shops are too busy, AI-powered shops feel professional, modern, and reliable. And once customers experience that convenience, they don't go back. They remember the shop that made it easy. That's how AI quietly shifts market share. If your competitors are using AI and you're not just behind, you're feeding them customers. The good news? AI tools are affordable, easy to set up, and designed for small auto shops. The shops winning today aren't bigger, they're just smarter,